Okay, I believe we're making video here. Try these glasses again. Taking the redcat Piranha TR10 out to try what I'm loosely claiming is my off-road track, but there's no jumps yet. No jumps, but we do have a layout here. This is mostly to test the tires, the servo, and the shock adjustments I made. Huh. Still pretty bouncy. I think there's too much rear spring. I do have tires to put on it too. Still the brush motor, still the nickel metal battery. The 20 kg servo is not that fast. It's pretty torquey. I think I'm gonna have to change the tires. These are just not gripping this hard clay. And rocks. Don't forget about the rocks. Fucking track's gonna be pretty tight. As you can see, the pipe isn't anchored down yet because the jumps aren't in. And there's still a lot of smoothing to do. The servo still seems slow. Part of that might be this radio, though. Oh, I can't wait to get the jumps out here. Maybe I better look going the other way. Probably not. You fucker. Yeah, I need to get my tractor over here and dig this grass out. Oh, I got so much work to do. I keep fucking around with all these rigs instead of working on my track. Uh-oh. Looks like you got front wheel leaning a little there. What's going on with that? Those look like some weird toe-in shit happening there. Nothing's broken. I mean, it's a little sloppy. Probably not helping my handling characteristics any. I think the suspension is better than it came out of the box. The shocks felt terrible in the thing. I don't know what the oil was in it, but once I drained the oil out, the shit that was on the shock piston itself was like Chinaman jizz or something. There was a ton of air in the oil. It was white and cloudy looking. I put 42 weight oil in the front and 50 in the... No, 42 in the rear and 50 in the front. And the rear still feels stiff. Little fucker's pretty zippy. I don't hate it. We'll see if it'll jump, right? Let's see how many tries it takes me to hit a couple of these. Ooh, that's nice and smooth. And that was not very smooth. Gotta remember to let off the gas in the air. This thing does not have a slippery clutch in it. And when I asked Redcat about possible slippery clutch substitution, they told me I was shit out of luck. Which I think there's got to be a top shaft out there that'll take a slippery clutch that will fit this transmission. Motherfucker's got some nice in-air characteristics. Yeah, to get a runway and a Punisher out here. Woo. Come on, baby. You idiot. The battery is starting to fade a little now. Well, I'm going to call my suspension changes a success so far. Tires are lacking a little. Probably saving the slippery clutch though. No bounce, no chassis slap, just nice. One thing I noticed with the 2-in-1 receiver speed controls, when the voltage starts to fade, you lose your fucking steering and your power at the same time. The servo won't return right now because the battery's almost smoked. Well, that's it. So far, I like this little truck. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see y'all later.